for approximately 30 minutes. Once that's done soaking, you're going to rinse off and just add some fresh water. You're going to cut off the end of the leg bone, and you're just going to pull it down. I know it looks weird now, but trust me, it's going to look better later. And just get all that gristle off of there. And just push it down, roll it down like a turtleneck. Just tuck it, pull it out. All that good stuff. And you want to do this to all of your drumsticks. Like so. Look at that. Alright, now you're going to need some flour, salt, cumin, chili powder, smoked paprika, black pepper, onion powder, garlic, and your egg. And you're going to mix this up with some water or milk. And you're going to make a dipping sauce like so. Then you're going to get you some panko breadcrumbs or regular breadcrumbs, whatever you prefer. Dip it in the mixture. Then you're going to roll it around, merry-go-round and round. All of the juiciness is going to be soaked up by the cornbread or the panko crumbs. Just do that for all of them, like so, like that. Then you want to make sure, before you do this, all your oil is heating up already. Very hot. Gotta deep fry these bad boys until they're nice and golden brown. We're using a wok here, but you can use a Dutch oven, whatever you prefer, or an actual deep fryer. And you want to see how they're getting brown like that. We also want to turn them on their sides so the bottoms can get fried as well. So just turn all of them over and keep turning them over, so they don't get burned on one side too much. And this will be your final product. Look at that lollipop. Golden goodness. Just look at that. Look at that. Just put these in a little strainer to drain off the grease, or a paper towel. I can do it old school and let that grease just come off of those. And you just play them like voila. And you get you like a honey mustard dipping sauce. This is Duke's mayo with a little chili pepper. But yeah, and parsley. But a little garnish on there. Bon appetit. Goodbye, y'all.